Hello, we are out on the ice again, and we're gonna try and use the Grim card and see if we can't catch some fish with it. Tiny little creatures. Use some of those. I'm watching my drop in on the screen. Here we go. Nice. First fish, if I land it. And that's what I thought it would be. Little perch. Beautiful little perch. We'll put him back. Another one. Yeah, it seems like it's better fish. Oh yeah. There we go. Now that's what we're looking for. Oh, big old white perch. That's a meaty little fish. Remember the old MacGruber throat rip. Put that on the ice for... Oh, that's neat. Check this out. There is a small grub that he hasn't swallowed all the way down yet. There's what he's eating. Let's see if I can't put that on the hook. Let's see if I can't catch a fish with it. Oh yeah, almost instantaneous.
Oh my goodness, what do you have on for bait?
I had soft plastics. Oh, it's just a little perch. But I switched to the little like caddisfly nymph or whatever it was. Not that guy, he's too small. Goodbye. This is, I swear, it's like a video game. No matter what kind of fish finder you have, it just changes the game so entirely that it's, I can almost hear the music in my head. Oh, something's right on it. Stop catching them long enough to... Can't stop catching them long enough to set up my thing. Ooh, that's a good sized perch. That's a beautiful perch. I want the bigger ones. How you doing over there, Chris? I haven't even been able to set this Grim card up yet. Perfect. Set it up. Fish bites. Doing. One of the cool things about these survival cards is you can pull stuff off of here, use it, and then put it back on. I have one to the top, and that goes down my hole. Ooh, there's a big mark over there right under the fish finder. Oh yeah, fish on. That's another nice sized white perch. That's what I'm talking about. That's a good one. Let's put a hook on here, put a big old worm on it. There's white perch down there. They really like the big old night crawlers and stuff too, so this should do the job. Oh, another fish. Oh, there we go. That's the one I was looking for. Yeah, a nice old crappie. This is like the best fish day I've had in like I don't even know how long. That one's definitely coming home for dinner. All right. All set up. The line right there is the line that goes down to the toggles. I set the two toggles as lightly as I could together, and then from the toggles that goes down to our worm and sinker and the Grim card hook. That fish pulls on that, twang, those come apart, and we will have a fish. We fished for a few more hours, but the bite was over when I caught that crappie, and that was the end of it for the night. Oh, the microphone went down for some reason right here. Sparrow, you want to help me do the voiceover with this one? Mm-hmm. All right, I'll be myself, and you can be Chris, okay?
Okay. This is my new fishing pole, so I'm going to catch a new fish with it. I can't wait to, so... Let's see if we can do this, okay? This is really hard. I'm hungry. This is hot fire. Try it out. And it works really well. Wow. I'm just gonna hook my little fish. Just gonna stick it down the hole, little minnow. You're gonna catch me a big fish. And let's set it. There we go. Wow! I got a fish, I got a fish, I got a fish! Yes! It looks weird, but I caught it on the Grim card. I did it. Oh my goodness, it's so slippery. I think this is the biggest slippery fish I ever caught. Wow, what is the matter with that fish? It's floppy fish. Floppiest fish. Well, yeah.
All right, Sparrow. Thank you, honey. That was a great job. Sounds just like Chris when he's excited.
Can I go now?
All right, honey. Go ahead. I love you. Thank you.
You're welcome. I love you too. Bye, Dad.
All right, so Chris caught a fish with the Grim card. I had 3 sets out with the Grim cards and didn't manage to catch a fish. But I did learn a few things, so let's go over those real quick. So the Grim Survival cards are cut out with a laser. So that means the eyelets and the metal and the knife actually comes kind of sharp. Unfortunately, the eyelets are not something you want sharp. In the past, 6-pound test has been enough because I was only hooking up on smaller fish. But I hooked up the other day using the 6-pound test for leader and I broke off. So after a little bit of testing, I found 2 solutions to this. The first, use 20 to 15-pound test mono. Tie a surgeon's knot with a loop, run the loop through the eye of the hook, and that kind of gives you a double bind onto the hook's eye. That seems to work really well. Or you whack the sharp edges of the hook eyes and the toggles with a piece of wet, dry sandpaper. I carry 3 the size of a credit card in my wallet, a 3000 grit, a 500, and a 250 for sharpening my knife if I need to. I always have my survival card I designed with Grim Survival in my wallet, as well as a lock-picking card. They're super fun. And they're super handy. I've even caught fish in Florida when I was at a restaurant with one once before. So if you'd like to get yourself one of these, check them out. Linked in the description below. Go to fowlersmakerymischief.com or just type in fowlers.shop and get yourself some cool survival cards for your wallet.